How to fix Ticketmaster Error Code U533. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is to head over to the App Store on your device if you're using iOS. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for Ticketmaster. And then simply move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you are facing this error. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Once you have got the updated version, now the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device and head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Ticketmaster and then move into it. Now tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.